edited this boring photo, turned it into a high-quality video, and then face-swapped my face into it, and I did the whole thing in a browser in just a few minutes. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a workflow using a platform called Magic Hour. It's an all-in-one AI studio that combines image editing, video generation, and face swapping in one place. See, a lot of people think AI is just about typing a prompt and getting a random video. But the real power is taking existing content and remixing them for an output you want. And the reason I'm covering this today is because about 90% of their tools are completely free to try. I have dropped the link in the description so you can literally follow along with me right now without paying anything. Let's jump into the workflow. Here we are in the homepage of Magic Hour AI. They have a lot of different and useful AI tools, including talking photo, lip sync, and animations as well. But for this example, we are going to chain 3 tools together: the image editor, video generator, and face swap. Let's start with the AI image editor. Most people skip this step, but it's the most important. If your source image is boring, your video will be boring. I have this photo here. It's a guy standing in a generic room. It's fine, but it's not exciting. I want to turn this into a cinematic sci-fi scene. In Magic Hour, I'm opening the image editor. Let's just try to put him in a more interesting background. I will upload the image and type my prompt. Change the background to futuristic neon city street, rainy night, cyberpunk aesthetic. We can choose the model here. I will keep that as Nano Banana. I hit generate, and boom. Look at that. The character is exactly the same pose, same clothes, but the environment is totally different. The lighting perhaps can match better into the scene, but the accuracy in the cutout is just great. Let's see if we can change the man into something that's more suitable to match with the background's vibe. Let's click Edit below our new photo and type the man in a suit, holding a gun, serious facial expression, action movie ambience. Okay, unfortunately the AI did not generate that prompt, since we had the term gun in our prompt, which may have triggered the explicit limitations, so let's tone it down a bit. The man in a suit wearing sunglasses, action movie vibe. And here we are. We have our guy in a suit wearing sunglasses. He is still smiling, so let's fix that as well. Yeah, that's better. Now we need to make it move. A cool image is great, but a video is what stops the scroll. Let's download this new cyberpunk image, go to the homepage again, and drop it into the image to video tool. Here is where you need to be smart with your prompt. Don't just describe the image again. Describe the movement. I'm typing. Neon lights flickering, rain falling on pavement, slow camera zoom in. You can choose the video model, C-Dance, Kling, or Google VO 3.1. I will stick with Kling 2.5 model and keep it at 5 seconds for a quick clip. Hit generate. And here we go. Oh wow, that looks great. The rain is actually hitting the ground. The background feels alive. Even a car is pulling in. The audio is pitch perfect with the scene. This is seriously impressive. Now for the final trick. What if I want to be the star of this movie? Usually face swapping requires installing complex code on your computer. Here, it's just a button. Let's download this video and go to the face swap tool. Let's upload the cyberpunk video we just made. Then, I upload an image of me facing front. Now, if possible, you should try to pick an image that slightly matches the lighting or angle of the video because it helps the AI blend it better. I hit swap, give it a second, and there we go. Oh hey, that is me in a cyberpunk city in a moving video. It has blended my face nicely into the video. I just wish it got more of my beard. But hey, to think we started with a boring photo in a plain white room to come here, that is the power of chaining these tools. Now, those 3 tools, editor, video, face swap, are the core workflow. But Magic Hour AI has a massive library of other cool features. One of them is lip sync. Let's go back to our cyberpunk video. It looks great, but as you noticed there, I'm silent. Let's upload that video into the lipsync tool and continue. Here for lipsync, you can upload an audio file or even type text for the AI to speak, and it will animate the mouth to match the words. They even have audio presets here you can try for lipsync. Let's actually try out one of them. I have never seen the movie so far, but for this, I will select Braveheart's speech and see what happens. Here we are.
I'm dying in your beds many years from now.
Okay, the lips are certainly moving. However, this lip sync isn't quite Hollywood realism yet. It can improve more, but for a free tool, I will say it is justified. So you could theoretically take a selfie, turn it into a video, swap your face in, and then have that AI version of you deliver a script. That is a complete content ecosystem. So who is this for? If you run a faceless YouTube channel, this is a goldmine. You can create original characters and scenes without copyright strikes. If you are a marketer, you can take product photos and turn them into video ads. Or if you just want to make cool stuff for Instagram, it's the fastest way to upgrade your feed. Now let's talk about the cost. Magic Hour operates on a credit system, but like I mentioned at the start, they are very generous with the free trial. You get enough credits to try out every single tool I just showed you. You don't need a powerful gaming PC, and you don't need to install anything. It works right in your browser, even on a laptop. I've put a link in the description below. Click it, sign up for free, and try that workflow for yourself. Take a boring photo like I did and see how far you can push it. And hey, if this was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and go make some magic.